about 5-6 months ago, I wanted to get some birds into the garden, and I thought, what is the best way to get the birds into the garden, or which seeds or food they like? So I bought peanuts, whole peanuts, sunflower seeds, sweets, a few other seeds, and I bought crushed nut, sunflower hearts, Niger seed, mealworms, and bulbs. And I've done a video and I put it onto my channel, and I constantly goldfinches, greenfinches, chafinches, but the problem I had was the starlings. Now the starlings are a nuisance, so I stopped feeding the birds for about 3-4 weeks because of the starlings and the pigeons. So I thought, well, let me try a different method, see if I can keep away the starlings. But the pigeons are alright, because when the birds go into the little birds, the finches go in here, and they drop the food to the ground, the pigeons come and feed on it, so that is good. They clean the grass. So today I'm going to use crushed nut and sunflower hearts. Now I found that when I put the 6 different seeds up, they love the sunflower hearts and they love the crushed nut and Niger seeds if you want to get the birds into your garden, especially finches. This is the sunflower heart. So I've got so many pigeons in the garden that whatever falls into the concrete down there, they would come and clean it all up. Right, that's ready, let's hang that up. Lift up like this. So what I want to do is I want to mix this Niger seed . Even when this is surrounded by a metal cage, the starlings got such long beaks and necks, they can still go in there. So there's not much I can do about it unless I get a bigger thing, which I'm not. So they'll have to eat as well. So This is crushed peanut. The Bluetits love it. Sparrows, Bluetits. I would reduce the feeders. I would only have 2 feeders, or maybe just that little one as well, because if you've got too many feeders, you're going to cause yourself a problem with your starlings. And now I'm going to sit down with a nice cup of coffee, with a nice rich biscuit. But the rich biscuit is not for me, it's for the blackbird. I want to take it whether you like it or not. Right on cue. Here it goes. Rich biscuits. Or is it? Let me give him a... You love that one? Yeah?
Look at the other one there. He's got
the... Yeah, look, he's got the other one. Look. Yeah? Yeah? He's got the... Look. Yeah, he's gone. Look, yeah.
That was quite funny, actually.
Yeah, Mr. Spotty. Because he's got spots on his wings, that's why I call him Spotty.
Oh yeah, I can see what you mean. That's
yeah,
side.
That's the only way I recognise him. Yeah. The other one's going to get the app now. Like, you watch, the blackbird's going to come down and
he's down there finishing it off.
Yeah,
Here he comes.
Yeah.